Yeah, so hi everybody, welcome back. Thanks for watching and tuning in. So I'm going to do the draw in this video, but first I want to say thank you to you guys, to every one of you little beautiful fishes, for subscribing to my channel, because I just went over the 5,000, and that's a lot of people, and most of those, 95% of those are all organically gained. So yeah, so it's a good milestone for me to me. I'm very happy about it, but I know it's all down to you guys. If you aren't watching and tuning in and subscribing, then it wouldn't be so good, you know. So I'm delighted with that 5,000. I just never thought I'd get there, you know, when I first set it up, when I got the first 100 and stuff, you know. And but you get about 50 subscribers organically every month, or sorry, about every month. And even if you're not making content, you still get them, and people are going back on your catalogue. I have 200 videos there, and they're timeless. They're not time specific. We did go through the COVID and all, but the camping videos are still there, with great music in them, great visuals, great ideas for you to broaden your camping ideas and experience. Yeah, so we're going to do the draw. We're going to do two draws here, actually. This was, oh, look at this, actually. I'm wearing this bit of kit. This is a scarf, look. It's the Swagman scarf. Think of it as like this, a multi-functional thing, you know, from a scarf to a poncho to a liner for your poncho, for your rain poncho. So an extra thing, a liner in your bag. Look, it's cool. And look, this is gangster, isn't it? This is a cool bit of kit. How much? If you add a stick, then you get all sorts of powers, like Jedi stuff and all. Gandalf, you can be Gandalf, maybe in disguise. Batman, yeah. It's gangster, isn't it? I actually absolutely love it, and you're going to see me wearing it a lot. Oh, this stick I got in, I went from Crown Woods over onto Joust, into Lugala Valley, down onto Lockdown. It was over a 3-day hike, and I found this at the start, and I brought it home, and I actually sanded it down. I varnished it. I didn't linseed oil on it. I oiled it, and yeah, it's a great stick, isn't it? So, anyways, yeah, let's get down and do this draw. So, here's how I do it. I have an app here on the phone. It's a randomizer app. It's a randomizer app, right? So, I want to say big thanks to Helikon Tex. I forgot to say that. Big thanks to the guys for giving me these fantastic prizes to raffle to you guys. So, yeah, they have some great kit, huh? I bet you were looking on their website and you have a basket built already. This spoiled for choice. Yeah, so we do. I have all the members' names in that little bag. What's this bag called again? A dump pouch. So I have all the names. I wrote on a little piece of paper all your first names, and so I'll pick the name out of that after this one. So yeah, so there was 89. See me technical way of keeping how many tickets I gave out. So there was 89 tickets given out altogether over the number of weeks. Oh, what's this? What are you doing? Oh God, hang on a second, I'll have to open this up again. There it is, randomizer number. Okay, so here's how it works. I'll bring that in closer if you can see it. So we put in, number 1, so I put number 1, number 89, so, and there we're going to generate it by pressing this button. I think it's a bit of an anticlimax, you know. So I press this button and the number comes out. You're the guy who wins, or girl who wins, and so that's great. So it's a bit of an anticlimax. Maybe I could put in explosions or something. Here goes anyway. 3, 2, 1. The winner of the Matilda Backpack is ticket number 4. Oh wow, okay, so ticket number 4, your ticket number 4, you've won the Matilda Backpack. I don't know who you are yet, because I have to go onto the phone to check with 89 entries. Yeah, so ticket number 4, woohoo! Right, you owned, this is what I'm sending out to you. Give us an email, give us your contact details. If you're in Dublin, you can collect it. So there you go. This is a great bag. First thing you should do when you get it is buy a load of the add-on pouches and the tactical bags and strip it around. Brilliant for organisation. Right, so that's that part done. Number 4. And now for me members. Thanks for everybody who joined the membership, and many of you have been out camping with me, and I'm helping with camping spots, and over the year you supported me good few beers. So until it gets to the point that it's too many beers and it's affecting me liver, I'll keep going. I'll buy a beer out every time you sponsor me. Yeah, so here we go. Who's this? Oh no, Ray. Oh, Ray the Cruise. Raymondo the Cruise. There you are. Well, a bit of luck. So there, Ray, you've won the, oh yeah, you can take your choice. The gloves, these will fit you, or the tarp. Now I know you have maybe one or maybe even 2 tarps, but look, the choice is yours, buddy. I'll chat to you later. I'm going to edit this, and then I'll put up, I'll put up all the winners and all that on my page, my Facebook page later. And yeah, so congratulations everybody. I'm delighted for 2 people there who's won number 4, and Ray the Cruise. Ray is with me all the time, you know, so you should just look at the draw. That's the way it is. Actually, Ray's the first of me camping buddies that's actually won a prize. All the other prizes gone out to people I didn't know. I met Emma. Hi Emma. I hope you're not number 4, you've won twice, people will get suspicious. No, I'm only joking. Hi Emma. And who else did I meet? Jim, Tom Coleman many years back. I've given out lots of prizes. It's good, and it gives an opportunity of me to say thanks back somehow, yeah. So I'm working on a video now. We're going away. We were to go away this weekend, but Terry couldn't make it, and he's my driver for this one, he was. But we're going away next weekend, and we're going to a place where maybe I can just film a bit better and bring a better production video to you. And I'm also going to give you, I'm also going to do bushcraft tips part 2 and 3 maybe while I'm down there. So yeah, so look everybody, that's great stuff, isn't it? We'll see you on the next adventure. Thanks again to the guys in Helikon Tex. Amazing stuff, amazing prizes. And yeah, love and peace. See you on the next adventure. And congratulations to the 2 winners. And for anybody else, there'll be more prizes to enter in. So there'll be other competitions that you can win. Okay, thanks very much everybody. See you later. Bye bye.